This 2017 Itasca Meridian 42E is a Class A RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Itasca is 43 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, oven, stovetop burner, microwave, refrigerator, TV, smoke detector, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, awning, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2017 Itasca Meridian 42E is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins i6 diesel pusher engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.